around on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily update videos of new inventory coming in. We have 50 to 70 late model, foreign and domestic repairable vehicles coming in on a daily basis, a weekly basis I should say. All makes, all models, various insurance types of losses. So this is a 2020 Lexus Ux250 hybrid. It's a freshwater flood damage vehicle. We're making a decision whether we're going to build this vehicle or not. So far so good. No corrosion, no rust in the engine compartment. Looks pretty clean. You can tell the vehicle wasn't submerged. Got clean headlights. No visible water line. Do a quick walk around. Body's pretty clean. We leave the doors a little open so the vehicle could get, the interior could breathe, because this, you can see right here where the water line was, right below the seats. You can see the seat tracks. Not corroded, not bad. It's got a little odor in it, so we're gonna have to pull the interior on this one. You can see where the water line was exactly. Got a little corrosion on that bolt there, so we're definitely gonna have to pull the interior on this one, dry everything out, clean the contacts, make sure everything's clean and dry to get it running. It's a long process, but this could turn out to be a really nice vehicle. We'll update you once we get it running, post new videos and some detailed photos on our website. Thanks for watching.